Mommy.
You're doing good.
Take another bite. Keep going. Till there's nothing left. There you go.
Is that good?
Mommy eat.
You do it, another bite.
You're doing good.
Another bite.
Mommy break it.
You can break it. Take a bite.
Take another bite. You don't need to break it. You can just take a bite.
Good.
It's less messy. That way you lose less of the muffins to crumbs. You're increasing your yield.
Are you
this
taking
way.
a movie?
Oh, shut up.
You're increasing your yield.
Mommy open.
Is it yummy, Benzie?
Take
Yummy?
another bite.
Mmm. Yummy. Good.
That's a big bite.
Benzie.
Slow down, slow down.
Wow, you got a mouthful there.
Finish chewing, finish chewing. Do good chewing. What was that? Good biting. Good. You can take another bite now.
He's doing okay.
Mommy do it.
Mommy, eat it? Should I eat it?
Do it.
Can I eat it?
Do it.
Do
Just
what?
Do what?
Just do it.
Do man.
Do what?
Do muffin? You're doing a great job by yourself.
Mmm.
Good.
Oh boy. You just don't want you to do it?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Mommy.
Mommy, do it. Mommy, do it. Do the muffin.
Ma.
More.